Hi and welcome back to Uotilagarage. Me and the guys decided to go on a little bike trip and we need to bring our beverages along. So I was thinking that I could make some kind of cart for the bikes, and I don't know what you think, but I found this bike from the trash and I think I could make something out of it. Let's take a look. So this is the bike. I was thinking that one wheel in the back, these could get chopped off, and this could go on it. Let's cut it up. I have arranged the parts now that I have. This is gonna be there's gonna be the wheel, this is gonna be the base, and there's gonna be another base there. Then there's this pipe which is from old treadmill, and there it's gonna attach to the saddle post on the pulling bike. I'm gonna tack weld this together now and try it out to some bike. That does it. I think now it's time for the test run. Let's do that. As you might have seen, I'm not quite happy about the wobble that it made in the video. Sorry about the quality, it was filmed with my cell phone. The problem is here. It shakes like a I think now that I have tested it on the right bike that it's gonna go, I'm gonna weld this square pipe to the round pipe, and then it wouldn't shake so much.